Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on KSM. And as always, our key level criteria we look for: swing highs, swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. Now, one thing to keep in mind is you don't need all of these criteria to make it a key level. One or two is good enough, but the more criteria the level has, the stronger it will be. So let's get started. The first thing we can see is our swing high at the top here. So we plot that on our chart. Now another level that I can see, which has acted as support and resistance, is quite obvious to spot, is this level here. Let's plot that on the chart. So you can see that it reversed from this level, came down, it actually broke through, pulled back, and we've seen a reaction from this level again, sending price down. So now let's actually move to the weekly. And what do we see on the weekly? So the first thing I can see is right where my crosshairs are. I see a reversal point here. We see a reaction here and a reversal point here. So we see multiple reactions, support and resistance from this level. And let's go ahead and actually draw in a zone. Oh, forgot to click it. So now we have a key zone right here. Remembering that all levels are treated as zones. Even if we plot a solid line, we are expecting a reaction around this level. As you can see, our monthly level, we had a reaction around the level, around the level, around the level. They weren't always right on it. As well as our long wicks and our key candlesticks around the level. You can see we had a long wick form here, followed by a bullish momentum candle, which carried price up to our monthly level. So what else can we spot here? Well, I can spot two more highs that we can plot right here. Price came down, reacted to our weekly level here, tried to break out, came back, and established a new point of resistance. So when price fell down and reversed, coming back up, it resisted from this level once again. So now looking at more recent price action, what can we see? Well, what we see is the most recent reversal point here. So let's plot that. This will be a key level that we want to see as price comes back up. Now, if we look even further to our most recent, we can see that there is a point of rejection right here. And price has actually gone below what we previously thought was a key level of support. So now we can look at where price started out. And let's actually plot the very bottom here. And if we can see, price is actually still above this level. And it looks like bullish momentum is going down. So price could possibly react here. Now, these are all of our key levels on KSM. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more.